Welcome to this explainer. Look, we're diving straight into the surprising truth about one of the most common things sitting right there in your salad bowl. We're going to discover exactly why the humble cucumber is way more than just a simple watery garnish. If you're looking for a quick, super efficient way to optimize your daily nutrition, well, you're definitely in the right place.
Okay, let's start by tackling a massive, very common myth. I mean, we've all heard it, right? The idea that cucumbers are basically just crunchy water with absolutely zero nutritional value. It's this pervasive idea that leads a lot of people to completely dismiss it when planning a nutrient-dense diet. But is that actually true? Spoiler alert, no way.
Now, while it is true that cucumbers are famously 95 to 96% water, which is a lot, it's the hidden power of that remaining 4% that makes health and nutrition experts obsess over them. That tiny percentage, it's densely packed with essential compounds that punch way, way above their weight class.
So, today's agenda maps out exactly what that remaining 4% does for you. We'll be covering hydration and weight management, the nutrient drop, heart, digestion, and blood sugar, skin, hair, and nails, and finally, safety and side effects.
All right, Section 1, Hydration and Weight Management. Let's talk about the power of volume.
45. That is the sheer volume to calorie efficiency of a cucumber. Think about that for a second. An entire 300-gram cucumber contains a mere 45 calories. If you break that down even further, a 1-cup serving is literally just 16 calories. This means you can eat a massive volume of this food, feel physically full and satisfied without packing on the extra calories that lead to weight gain. It's a wildly efficient tool for managing your weight.
And you know, the benefits of all that volume go well beyond just calorie counting. Did you know that up to 40% of your daily water intake can actually come from food? We often think we have to meet all our fluid needs by just chugging from a glass all day. But eating water-rich, low-calorie foods like cucumbers significantly boosts your overall hydration. And proper hydration is absolutely critical, right? It regulates your body temperature, transports waste products, and heavily impacts both your physical performance and your metabolism.
Moving right along to Section 2, the nutrient drop. What's actually hiding in that 4%?
The sheer density of what you get in a single 300-gram cucumber is incredible. We're talking 49 micrograms of vitamin K, a massive 442 milligrams of potassium, significant amounts of vitamin C, and 1.5 grams of soluble fiber. It even has trace amounts of magnesium and manganese. But, and this is a really critical takeaway here, to maximize your intake of these crucial vitamins and minerals, research emphasizes that you should eat the cucumber unpeeled. The dark green skin holds much of the vital fiber and nutrients, so peeling it drastically reduces its nutritional value. Keep the skin on.
Okay, Section 3, Heart, Digestion, and Blood Sugar. Let's look at your systemic health.
Let's start with your heart. Remember that massive 442 milligrams of potassium we just talked about? Well, it works absolute wonders for your cardiovascular system by acting as a natural counterbalance to the sodium in your body. By balancing out those sodium levels, it directly eases the overall strain on your blood vessels, and that is a primary mechanism for regulating and maintaining healthy blood pressure. It's basically like taking a pressure valve off your system.
Now, moving down to the gut, we have a specific type of soluble fiber called pectin. When it comes to digestion, pectin pairs beautifully with the cucumber's high water content. The water improves stool consistency, while the pectin actually speeds up intestinal muscle movement. Put them together, and they drastically improve regularity and prevent constipation. Plus, pectin acts as an amazing food source for the beneficial bacteria in your gut microbiome. It's a total win-win for your stomach.
But cucumbers also protect you at a cellular level. They're packed with powerful antioxidants, specifically flavonoids and tannins, which block oxidation. Now, oxidation is just a chemical reaction that creates harmful, unstable atoms known as free radicals. So why does this matter to you? Because reducing oxidative stress by neutralizing these free radicals is directly linked to lowering your risk of chronic illnesses, including cancer, heart disease, and autoimmune conditions.
Furthermore, these benefits might even extend to blood sugar regulation. Cucumbers naturally have a very low glycemic index, but animal and test tube studies suggest there's actually more at play here. Research has shown that cucumber peel extract reversed diabetes-associated changes in mice and helped reduce oxidative stress related to diabetes complications. Now, while human studies are still ongoing, the foundational science indicates it could be a highly effective food for managing blood sugar levels.
Let's transition to Section 4, Skin, Hair, and Nails, the beauty benefits.
So while potassium and pectin are working hard to support your internal health, the cucumber's external benefits are honestly just as impressive. Unique compounds like silica and vitamin C actively build and protect your external features. It really is a holistic food, supporting your body from the deep blood vessels all the way to the ends of your hair.
And it goes way beyond just the classic spa image of placing cooling slices over your eyes to reduce puffiness. Though, side note, that does actually work thanks to its natural anti-inflammatory properties. But the science goes much deeper than that. Cucumbers contain a trace mineral called silica. When consumed, silica works to strengthen your hair roots, which can potentially lower hair loss rates, and it hardens your nails right from the inside out to prevent them from becoming brittle. Throw in the hydrating water and vitamin C, and you're getting a profound reduction in skin inflammation as well. It's basically a natural beauty supplement.
Finally, Section 5, Safety and Side Effects, the fine print.
So, as with any explainer, we do need to cover the caveats. It's crucial to note that while cucumbers are incredibly healthy, excessive consumption can cause some issues. For some folks, those specific types of soluble fiber can lead to digestive bloating or gas. If you happen to have compromised kidney function, the high potassium and water content can actually put undue strain on your organs. Additionally, because cucumbers contain vitamin K, which is a key factor in blood clotting, eating massive amounts could potentially interfere with blood-thinning medications. And finally, though rare, some individuals might experience allergic reactions like hives or swelling. So as always, keep moderation in mind.
So, the crucial point to take away today is this. By understanding the science behind that hidden 4%, you hold the key to transforming a simple ingredient into a really powerful daily tool for your overall health, from keeping your heart pumping smoothly to naturally fortifying your hair and skin. Next time you see a cucumber, will you just see a watery garnish, or will you see the systemic, nutritional powerhouse it really is? Keep exploring and use this knowledge to fuel your focus.